Hey neighbor, welcome to the first episode of Zillow With me, your fabulous virtual realtor. I take television characters and I try to find them their dream home. Please note, spoilers may be included in this and fictional elements may be added to enhance the character and to dramatize my trying to find them new homes. So let's get into the first episode. Let's meet our client. So today we have the lovely Joan Clayton. Now, last time we saw Joan, she was engaged to Aaron. Now, Joan grew up in the California area and blossomed into a high-power attorney before turning into a restaurateur. Her restaurant is doing swimmingly, and Aaron was deployed to Iraq shortly after him and Joan purchased a home. However, Aaron unfortunately passed away in Iraq. So now Joan is looking to sell their home and to start new memories in a new, fresh place. Joan is also looking to potentially get into in vitro fertilization and start a family on her own. She's going to try to find a home big enough for her and her expecting family. Let's get into the homes. Joan, let's go over Joan's wish list before we start. Joan would like an open floor concept place in a great neighborhood with great school districts for her future children, as well as a minimum of 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. She would really appreciate an open concept and to see if you're something that where she can watch the kids. A 3x3, 3-bed, 3 baths, Sherman Oaks Bungalow. Listed in the fabulous neighborhood of Sherman Oaks, this beautifully remodeled home comes with a pool, open concept, granite countertops, and new hardwood floors. Perfect for entertaining. Let's take a look. Ooh, the raw wood on the outside is kind of interesting. Great curb appeal. A patio, that's great. Open concept. Fireplace in California, do we really need it? Recessed lighting is a great touch. Open concept. Lovely kitchen island. Opens to the backyard with that beautiful window. Brass and gold finishes. I wish they had a walk-in pantry. A gas range, I know something Joan would love. And a deep kitchen sink. Good finishes. Large fridge. Plenty of counter space to prep and cook. Great dining room space, living room, dining room combo. Master bath is great. Double sinks. Soak tub. Shower. Soak tub and shower hybrid. Not a huge fan of, but I think Joan will like it. Master bedroom is huge. Vaulted ceilings, recessed lightings again. I'm not sure why they don't have a ceiling fan. I know some people think it's cheap, but California does get pretty toasty sometimes. But it opens to the backyard, which is great. So then we have another bath, which can be used for the children or can be used for the guests. Great sink space. Hardwood floors throughout the home. Great mosaic tiles in this next bath. Ooh, the black exterior. Super interesting. Quite a lot of yard and a lot of greenery for California, which often has droughts. So that's going to be something to note. And then also a detached garage. Is it safe? Is it not safe? Do you want an attached garage? Slightly inconvenient, but it gives you garage space that would be beneficial. So that's home 1, Sherman Oaks Bungalow. Let's look at home number 2. Home number 2, I listed at 1.3 basically million, is 4 bedrooms by 4 baths at about a little under 4,000 square feet. Can Joan handle this much house? The Spanish style home on the hill. A Spanish style home with great curb appeal, a sloping driveway, great finishes. You got the palm trees, which is such a great California touch. Water fixture in the front. I don't know how I feel about that in California. It seems like not the most environmentally friendly thing, even though it's aesthetically so lovely. attached garage, looks like 3 cars, open floor plan concept. Ooh, this is really pretty. Great with the first couple photos. A formal living room, um, formal dining room. Then you have the brown kitchen, slightly outdated, not the most modern thing. You have breakfast nooks and counter space to eat right in the kitchen, huge kitchen. And then you have a family room right off of the kitchen, as well as the laundry room behind the kitchen, with plenty of counter space to fold laundry right outside of the kitchen. Built-ins in the family room for TV, trophies, pictures, etc. A fireplace, again, California with these fireplaces. Do y'all need them? Let's be honest. Oh, the backyard is so pretty, so perfect for entertaining. Living spaces off of the patio, a covered patio, which is great, and it looks like an outdoor kitchen, a pool, outdoor fireplace, great view of the hills. Plenty of space upstairs for an office, half bath, and then right upstairs you have open living space where you can have a game room, or the nook area, which you can use. You can use this nook for a lot of things: reading, a mini office, a study space for the kids, a master bath with double sinks, a huge closet, a soak-in tub, stand-up shower. Girl, I know you're going to have no trouble filling up the closet and the racks in here, okay? A balcony right off of the master bedroom for the view. You see the California palm trees. And then you can see that outdoor kitchen that we didn't really get to see in the last photos. Plenty of bedrooms, Jack and Jill style, double vanity, bath. Plenty of space for you to grow into and for your little rugrats to play around in. You have the pool outdoor with the jacuzzi, a great sized pool, and the pool is fenced in, so this is great. It's just a lovely, lovely home. And plenty of space outside of the pool, tons of acreage, but this is going to increase your maintenance costs because you do have a lot of landscaping to do with the amount of acres you have on this property. So let's go to our final home. We have a 2-bedroom by 1-bedroom charmer in West Hollywood, and right off of Melrose. So you have a Spanish style charmer right off of, you have a West Hollywood charmer right off of Melrose. On the inside, you see those dark hardwood floors, such a great finish with the black. I think the accents is just phenomenal, beautiful. You can see that with the windows that they are, the classic windows, and they just painted over them. So this has a really, you still have some of those older elements staying through into the home. Open cabinets, open shelving, farmhouse sink, flat stove though, and no double ovens in this home. You have a breakfast nook, which is really cute. Bedrooms, decent size. Subway tiles throughout the bath. Now this bath you would be sharing with your children because there is only one bath in the home. You have another second family space off of the bedroom, kind of small and kind of casual. The laundry room is kind of a laundry hallway, a little bit tight. Minimal outdoor space, which is going to keep landscaping costs low, which is kind of a benefit. But you are kind of on a busy street. So let's take another look at this house. It's cute, and it's gonna be right off of all the parties, off the scene. There's a lot to do in downtown and off of Melrose. The closet space is a little tight, but you are in a fabulous neighborhood. You probably won't need a car. It's gonna be walkable. Yeah, and it's going to keep things lively and young in this home. So, That being said, we've seen three options. We've seen the Sherman Oaks bungalow. We've seen house on the Spanish house on the hill. And then we've seen the WeHo Charmer. Which option do you think is the best one for Joan Clayton and her growing family? Option 1, option 2, or option 3? Comment down below which option you think is best for Joan. Now, to save you the anticipation, I think that option 1 is going to suit Joan very comfortably. The Sherman Oaks bungalow. It's the perfect size for Joan and her growing family. It's in an ideal location, good schools, and it'll give her the right place to build new roots and to settle down. I hope you enjoyed this first episode of Zillow With Me. I hope to be back next week with a new TV character and new homes. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe because new videos are coming soon.